Hello friends, myself Geeta Khrab. Today I will teach you how to make this beautiful cushion cover. I will also tell you how much fabric is required for these cushions and after stitching what will be the size of this cushion. We should avoid cotton and linen fabric. I will use crepe cloth for this cushion. First of all, we are measuring width. Its width is 40 inch. You can see. Now we are measuring length. Its length is 27.5 inch. Now we will leave 1.5 inch fabric for width side. This is our width. And join this line. Now leave 1 inch for length side. This is our length. And then join this line. Now we will make 8 line of 2 cm. Each and that will be total 16 cm. Every line has 2 cm. These are 8 line. Now 8 line has completed. After that we are marked 2.5 cm. Now add 5 cm and again 2.5 cm. After that again we have to mark 8 line of 2 cm as before of 2 cm each. Now that is completed. Again 2.5 cm, again 5 cm and 2.5 cm. We will mark. Then again repeated 8 line of 2 cm again. This is also completed. Again mark at 2.5 cm, then 5 cm and 2.5 cm. Then again 8 line of 2 cm. This is completed. Now 1.5 inch at the side is left. Now what we have to do? We have to repeat on the opposite side. Same 16 cm total, 2 to each line has 2 cm. After that 2.5 cm. Same 5 cm, 2.5 cm, again 2 cm, total 8 line. Again 2.5 cm, 5 cm, then 2.5 cm, we have to make 8 lines of 2 cm each, and then that will be 16 cm. Completed. Again 2.5 cm, 2.5 cm, then 5 cm, then 2.5 cm. Again we will make 8 lines, each line 2 cm. Now I am joining this line. The whole part we have to complete in this way. Like this I will complete this. Now our marking of one side is completed, as you see. Then here also we have to mark at every 2 cm. Every 2 cm here. Now we are joining the line. You are joining the marking. We get square boxes 2 cm. Now we are completing making of this box. Go to other part. Here also we will mark square box of 2 cm. Here also 2 cm. After that join it. Now we have to reach to 5 cm part, which will give a round stuff shape of round cushion, यानी कि round laddu. Sorry, you have to say laddu. Now we have to mark every 2.5 cm. In this 2.5 cm you will get round laddu shape. Here also we will make box of square shape laddu like this. We mark at every 2.5 cm and will join them. Now joining this line. Every 2.5 cm we will mark. Here 2 cm, here 2.5 cm, then 2 cm. We will complete this pattern. Now our boxes has completed, as you can see. Now in this pattern, pattern 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, total 15 parts are there. Now we are marking for stitching. This is how we have to complete the first line. Now we have to 2 lines together. Now we are marking on it. Make it and complete like this. We will complete whole line like this. we have to take two lines together and complete the marking same way. Again we are marking same way. Now this is our last line. Also we have to complete it. We will mark on next part on other side. Here we have to follow the same marking pattern. Two line and complete it like this. Again two line and we will complete like this. Again two line. This is our last line. We have to complete this. We have to follow the same marking here. Again follow here same marking pattern. Now marking is completed as you can see. Then we will start stitching. We will take two lines together. We will go to the first corner, then second corner. Then we have to pull the thread and make a knot. Then we have move ahead to second line. Again we will pull out so that make a knot. Then go to the second part corner, then third corner and pull thread and make a knot. And make a knot. Now we will have to return to the first line and then go to the second corner. First make a knot, then go to second corner and then make a knot. Again go to the second line and make a knot. That goes second, then second corner, then third corner and pull out thread and make a knot. Like this we have to complete two lines this way. We have to complete first line as you can see. Now we will take two lines together and we will complete it. First second corner, third corner and then pull out and then make a knot. We will make a knot two times. Then we will go to the second line and pull out thread and make a knot. Then go to the, this is our last line. After that we will make this. Pull out thread and make a knot. We will go to the next box and make a knot. Then go to the second corner, then third corner and pull out thread, make a knot. We will make two times of knot. Then go to next one. We will complete like this. After that we will stitch this and then we will stitch here and here also, here also. Like this we will complete it all over pattern. Our round laddu part is remaining. As you can see we have completed this. You can keep it like this also. Its width is 24 inch Now its length is 19 inch. Only stitching part 17 inch. I left 1 inch here and 1 inch here. Total 19 inch. Now we are making laddu. We will stitching here. First box we will left, then second we will start. We are doing running stitch. And then stretch thread and make a knot and cut the thread. Next, making running stitch and make a knot and then cut the thread. We will make one laddu. Then make running stitch and make a knot, and also we will cut this also. Cut here. We have make 2 laddu. Next, we have to make all this laddu like this. Now we are filling cotton. And make the close from the top. We will complete all laddu like this. We are doing stitching. One laddu is ready. Again filling cotton. And make them close from the top. We are closing now. You can make all laddu this way. Again we are filling cotton and close on the top. Now we will complete here also, like that. Here also you can see here. This is how we have completed all laddu. As you can see, this is our front part, front side. It's look like this. We have to fold the cloth from the side and stitch it. Fold and make a knot. Again fold it, and the running stitch we are making. You can sew by sewing machine also. We have fold for all side also. Here also we have to complete this like this. Fold and stitch, fold and stitch, fold and stitch. We will complete this. Like this we have folded from all four sides. Now its length is 19 inch. Total length we got 19 inch, and only stitching part is 17 inch. One inch I have left here, I have left here. Total 19 inch. We have taken length before stitching 27.5 inch. Or we made box 25.5 inch. We made box 25.5 inch for stitching part. Here is our length, and this is our width. Width we got 17 inch. Now width is 17 inch. Before stitching we have taken 40 inch width, and after stitching we got 17 inch width. 17 inch width. If you make square cushion, you have to take 25.5 inch length, and boxes you have to make 23.5 inches. Boxes we have to make 23.5 inch, and total you have to take 25.5 inch for square cushions. I less length 2 inch. It made 16 by 16 cushion, you can see. Please share and subscribe my channel if you like, and also comment below in comment sections. Thank you so much.